So this look is my really simple, really quick, it's not really that quick, but it's my just curly top bun look, you know what I mean? Like, just going for the day, about to go to work. So if you like this look and want to see what I did, what I used, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so let me just start off by saying that I hate doing my hair. Alright. So again, it's wet. Woo. Taking my dimming brush, which is dirty, and I just cleaned it out, but forgive me. Whatever. I don't care. All right, and we're done. We're about to go to work. No, I'm just kidding. But okay, so now I'm about to get this Eco Style. Ugh, my nail broke all weird, and now hair is getting caught. Like, let me see if you can see how that broke. We don't got time, but it broke. It's getting caught. But yeah, any type of gel, I use Eco Style because that's what I have. Ooh, this looking kind of okay, whatever. So we're just gonna put that everywhere. Okay, anyways, mind you, I never do my hair in here. This is all for y'all. I never do my hair here. I don't see how people do their hair in the rooms. I always do my hair in the bathroom, but okay. Oh, it's just so fucking thick, and it might not even come out right. Oh, all right. This is Vante's. The labels are rubbed off, so take the Vante's and I'm put it in my hands and smooth it on my edges so it'll make it a little easier. So right now I'm like shaping it into for the ponytail. Okay. Okay. I hate doing my hair. Like, I really do. Alright, so I'll grab my hair tie. Do y'all have a problem getting your hair to the top of your head? Does anybody else, like, oh, whatever. It doesn't matter because it's gonna be a big bun. So if you have any, like, I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you notice, like, sometimes it's like kind of not smooth in the back, but I just do it because it's gonna be poofy. So as long as the front is good, like, y'all know how much it just took me getting my hair to the top of my head into a ponytail. Like, boys don't know. Like, they be like, I like natural, blah blah blah. Like, are you about to come do my hair in the morning every day? No, I doubt it, poo. Alrighty, my camera kept cutting off, but anyways, we're back. I got my baby hair toothbrush, and so what I was saying was, y'all like natural so much, come do this natural hair of mine. So right now I'm just, dang, this is not too good. I'm playing myself. Here we go. Y'all have like a favorite baby hair toothbrush? Like, I tried to get the new one for y'all because this one got like hair and gook in it, but y'all be alright. But anyways, tuck them edges, with my toothbrush. And you know, just play with it, get it right. Some people, I don't know, like, you know, everybody do their little swoops different. I used to like have, instead of going one way, it was like two, like a curtain like that you open, but I guess I'm on this now. So, but I just, yeah, do this till it looks how it needs to look. Get it all in order. Then I come here, hit him up. When it wants to act right, just a little. Yeah. Curl. You can see, but I just curl her up nice. Okay. So now, get some gel, not a lot. And this is how, I should put some water in it, it's a little dry. This is how you get them. See, this is what I was talking about. But don't nobody even know, because you know, you got your little poof poof at the top of your head. You can fix it, but it ain't gotta be like, you know, because this is all about it's all about a finesse, you feel me? Unless you want it to be perfect. It's a finesse, doggy. Finesse. Bruno Mars. Okay. But yeah. So now we're gonna brush it again. Just to get those curls forming. This is a dimming brush, by the way. Don't know if I said that. But yeah, just combing the gel through, getting those curls to form. Okay. Just a little tighter in it. Okay, so like, see this? This is my leave out. And what I do, it's usually not even like this. I think I use like some curl, like kind of, it's like a straining gel. It's not supposed to make your curls like as tight, you know, when I did my wash and go before I did this. So I think that's why my leave out is looking like this right now, because it's usually never this straight. But yeah, I'm just twisting it, so I don't even see it like that, really. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. But I'm just doing little finger coils. I think that's what they're called. But anyways, it's all gonna blend. So, and we're done. No, we're not. But I'm gonna go diffuse these bad boys so it'll be just like a little poofier. Sometimes I do let it stay and then like I just like bobby pin it, but I think today I'm gonna diffuse it just a little bit, because I don't like when my curls look dry, and when I diffuse it they look dry, you know, like right now it looks wet and just like, I mean, I guess you could stay right here if you wanted to, but I don't want to. So yeah, I'm about to go diffuse and I'll be right back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I'm back and I didn't even really do it too much because I like so when I diffuse, I do it to get bigger. But mind you, throughout the day, it's gonna get bigger regardless because it's gonna dry. So I liked how this looked. Like I was pretty comfortable with this poof. You know, girls, how you gonna get your poof right. But, so there are no bobby pins here. I'm liking how it's sitting. You know, it's just cute, easy. It's cool. This is cool. Oh, I'm not done. This is not the finished look. Go hit her up, okay? Hit her up with the got to be good, so she could be nice all day, honey. Gonna hit them edges up with the, we gonna glue them edges. Okay. You feel me? You feel me, doggy? You feel me? So yes, this is the finished look. If you like this look, if you want to see other things like full makeup, full glam, curly hair routines, stay tuned for all of these, all kinds of videos really. And I will catch you next time on the other one, because I gotta go. I gotta go to work. Okay? Okay? Bye. Thanks.